Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can replace a section in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what we're looking for can be found either under Create or Library. Let's go ahead and go to Create. You could do this in the library too, but under Create, you can see your various songs that you have created. And what we want to do is we want to select here where it says edit. Now you can find this option as well in our three dots. If we go here to three dots and then go to edit, then we can also see here the option that says replace section. But they just added this edit button here recently. And once you click on that, then it brings you to this really nice edit screen. And up at the top, you can see here where it says replace section. So let's go ahead and click on that. And now we get this box here and we can adjust it to exactly where we want to replace our section. So if let's say you have a song and there's a specific part of the song that something just doesn't sound right. One thing that is fairly common with Suno is you get what's called the Suno shimmer. I think this is something that other music generators have a problem with too, but it's a weird effect that comes through, and it's not exactly desirable. It is definitely a giveaway to whether or not something is AI generated. So this is where using the replace section can really help with that. Or if there's just something in a song that you really don't like and you want to replace it, well, then you can use the replace section. You can put the box here exactly where you want it to be. And then once you have done that, then you can click on generate replacements. Now, if you click on generate replacements without adding any details, then it's just going to do its best to fix that section, but you might end up with something that's a little bit different than what it was before. Exactly how much control you have over that, I mean, it's somewhat limited. The only thing you can really do is you can add some details here in the describe. So here, for example, if we wanted to add something like remove shimmer sound, something like that. But there's a lot of different things you could do as far as the prompting goes. I mean, this is really sort of subjective, and you do the best that you can, and then once you're done, then you can click on generate replacements. And you can see that it's thinking. And then here we also see that we need at least 10 credits here to create. So I'm out of credits at the moment, but that'll at least give you an idea of how you can use the replace section in your songs. And it's a really nice feature that they've added this. Before there were some frustrations with how songs could play out, but since they added this edit section where you have replace, extend, crop, fade out all in the same spot, it makes a huge difference. So check out the replace section in the edit section of Suno. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.